Welcome back, Simona Koki. I'm here to introduce you one of the protagonists of Biennale Arte 2022, the Hungarian Pavilion. And so I've been really amazed by the pics they sent me inside the press kit, and so I think this is one of the most impressive artistic works, and it's a multi-sculpture layout, but we're gonna start by watching this iconic video that was sent as a video courtesy from Ludwig Museum in Budapest. Let's watch it. Here we go. I choose to accompany the cover this I chained, and you can see that the author used the mosaics as main element of this creation, and the title is After Dreams I Dare to Defy the Damage. Zsófia Keresztes. Sorry for my pronunciation, I know I'm really hopeless. So let's discover together some pics that are by Joseph Rosta. This is the author. I have to say the curator Mónika Zsikla, National Commissioner Julia Fabényi, organizing Ludwig Museum. As I introduced before, this is an installation that want to investigate the search for identity. That is one of the most strong struggle we are living nowadays. You see, it seems that our sight has been chained. It seems that our tears also are chained, and the author want to reach and to start with a dilemma that is the Schopenhauer's porcupine metaphor to describe the double view on the social proximity. And then we have the novel Journey by Moonlight by Antal Szerb, dated in 1937, when the protagonist arrives in Venice on honeymoon, but he sets off alone to discover the mosaics of Ravenna. So I think this is really for me, I'm proud that they choose to realize this sculpture with the Ravenna mosaic techniques. I would like to ask to the authors if these are tears that are chained. There is a lot to question about this intriguing work, and also you see the shape are absolutely unexpected, and I imagine how could be funny also to catch some pics in that kind of scenario, because it's really different in every angles, and every shapes has a meaning. You have also always to watch where the chain goes. Interesting. Okay, if you want to know more, you can visit the Ludwig Museum site on the zsofiakeresztes.com or in Biennale. reviewing the Biennale Arte updates, but you will see that the press and the colleagues have been on the news already, and so I'm happy. Go Hungary. Stay tuned. Simona Cocchi, The Italian Way.